If you want a clean style wearing Rich Boys, this is the look. So, we have a new pieces from Rich Boys. Ito yung bagong collection namin. Of course, ito muna, the pants. Meron siyang pleats here sa gitna. Stretchable siya. So, kung kukuha kayo ng pinaka-normal size nyo, is tama-tama lang. Kung matatandaan nyo, may yellow color ito sa Butter Yellow collection. And ito, brown naman siya. It's very comfortable. Napaka-elegant tingnan. Ang fitting nito is medyo slim type. So, kapag pinartneran mo with the baggy pants or with the baggy jeans, bro, tapos na ang laban. Kita nyo, napaka-subtle lang ng pinaka-design niya dito. May Have the Life You Want lang. For the ladies, it's a must-buy. This is the paint shirt and meron lang siya ditong napaka-subtle na Rich Boys. And of course, ito yung pinaka-panalo, the back part. Ito yung mga pwedeng t-shirt, lalo na doon sa mga nakaka-appreciate ng arts. Ito na may isang colorway, meron siyang Rich Boys dito sa pinaka-taas. And yung style ng font niya is parang clouds. It represents the sky doon sa pinaka-title naming Earth Meets Sky. And of course, the colorway which is light blue, napaka-solid. Ito na may hoodie namin which is perfect pang travel. Ginawa talaga tong collection na to inspired sa pagta-travel din. Para alam mo yun, napaka-comfortable mo lang kahit nasa aeroplano ka. So this colorway is meron lang design na Have the Life You Want dito sa likod. Napakaganda talaga ng color combination, brown and blue. For me, talaga nakakalinis siya tingnan. So ito yung pinaka-itsura ng pinaka-hoodie natin na bago. Lastly, we have a knitted polo which is one of my favorite in this collection. If you want a clean style wearing Rich Boys, this is the look. So ikaw, kung nagdadalawang isip ka pang bumili dito sa bagong collection namin, bro, ito na yung sign mo. So that's everything you need to know. I'll see you around. Peace.